Hello students, in your bio class today, we will start a new chapter, chapter 17, Forest Our Lifeline. Now, lifeline means what? Important for our life. Means without this, our life would be impossible. Like we tell our parents are our lifeline. Means parents के बिना हमारा जीवन व्यतीत करना मुश्किल हो जाएगा. Similar way, without forest, our life would be difficult. Because forests, they provide us with many important things. The important of all, it is the oxygen given by the plants. And in this chapter we will see many things how the forests are useful to human beings. Okay, now what is a forest? A forest, we can tell, it is a vast area, a large area covered by different types of plants and animals. फॉरेस्ट मीन्स जंगल, एक ऐसा एरिया, जगह जो तरह तरह के पेड़ पौधे जीव जंतु से भरा हुआ है. So in a forest, what you will find? You will find there are different types of trees, from a large tree, big tree, to small herbs, shrubs, grasses. See here a view of the forest is given. Yes, now if you have seen a forest from top, जैसे if you have climbed any mountain or a hill, और वहाँ से अगर देखो तो forest आपको कैसा लगता है? It looks like there is a green umbrella. The trees act as a umbrella. आपको लगता है कि एक बड़ी छतरी ग्रीन कलर का फैला हुआ है बहुत विशाल जगह में. So that is known as the canopy. The trees which form an umbrella-like structure is the canopy of the forest. Okay, we will see afterwards in the chapter. Now one sentence here it is given here, like forest is an example of habitat. Means what? Habitat is what? It is a living place of different plants and animals. In a forest you will find different types of trees, as I said. एक तरह का ट्री नहीं, आपको तरह तरह का ट्रीज मिलेगा, तरह तरह का प्लांट्स मिलेगा, आपको तरह तरह के जानवर भी मिलेंगे. एंड दिस ट्रीज सर्व एज अ लिविंग प्लेस फॉर मेनी एनिमल्स. यस, द ट्रीज, द लैंड ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट are dwelling place of many animals, so it acts as a habitat. They provide homes to many animals and plants. The forests are homes for many animals and plants. See here is a wild animal roaming in the forest. There are different types. Some of the forest plants, see it is given here. This is neem, sesame, which is used as a wood. Then this is bamboo, which is used for making furniture. Means what? There are different plants which are useful to us in various ways. Then there are creepers. There are, see here, different names of plants are also given. Sal, teak, sisal, simal, sesam, neem, palas, care, amla, bamboo, kachnar. So there are different types of different varieties of plants, and these plants provide us with many important things like plywood, fuel, means lakdi jalane ke liye. This wood is used to make paper, matchsticks, furniture. The trees provide with gum, oil, spices, fodder for animals, means animals ka khana. Medicinal plants are also there in the forest. Now, one important thing, when we are seeing so many trees in a forest, then a question may arise to you that who would have planted these trees? क्या जंगल में हम लोग जाके प्लांट करते हैं ट्रीज को? No. Then how these trees reach here? That in nature trees produce enough seeds. We know that the trees produce fruits, and inside the fruits there are seeds, and seeds are carried by different ways like animals, air, human beings, water to different places. And this is known as seed dispersal. And by this dispersal of seeds, what happens? The plants start growing under favorable conditions. and thus a forest is formed. Okay, now some trees, some of these seeds will grow into a tree. Now see, there are different shapes of trees also in front forest. This is a conical tree, this is a rounded shape, this is like umbrella. So these are different shapes of trees which you will find in a forest. मीन्स ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही जैसा ट्री आपको फॉरेस्ट में मिलेगा, डिफरेंट वैरायटीज ऑफ ट्रीज आपको फॉरेस्ट में मिलेगा. And why these different types of trees are found means एक जगह का forest, जैसे if you take for example forest in Jharkhand, if you take forest of Uttar Pradesh, there will be variation. And why there is a variation in the type of forest? It depends on the climatic condition. Like if there is a forest in a hilly area, वहाँ का trees कैसा होगा? Conical होगा. Yes, तो जिस जगह में जंगल है वहाँ कैसा ट्रीज होगा वो डिपेंड करेगा वहाँ का क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस कैसा है. तो सिमिलर वे द एनिमल्स लिविंग इन द फॉरेस्ट विल ऑल्सो डिफर. If you find a forest in a cold place, the animals will be different. If you find a forest in a hot place, the animals will be different. Okay, so the different varieties of plants and animals depend on the condition of that place. Now as I said that the trees of the forest form a canopy. Now what is a canopy? Let us see here. The branches of tall trees look like a roof over the other plant in the forest. This is a canopy. अगर आप ऊपर से देखोगे किसी फॉरेस्ट को तो मैंने कहा ना आपको लगेगा ग्रीन कारपेट बिछा हुआ है. That is a canopy. And the crown, what are the crown? The branchy part of a tree above the stem. Means आप नीचे से मिट्टी से तो प्लांट्स ग्रो करना शुरू किया है तो यहाँ से जो ब्रांचेस निकलेगा दैट इज नोन एज द क्राउन ऑफ द ट्री. All right, so today we will do only this much. Next, what is the importance of forest, how it is useful to us, we will see in the next class.